Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to lock cells in an Excel spreadsheet. When you lock cells in Excel, you make it impossible for people to make changes to those cells. There are two main reasons why we sometimes lock cells in Excel. The first is to prevent accidental erasure or deletion of the cell's contents. The other reason is to prevent the locked part of the spreadsheet from being edited by unauthorized people. Let's get started. Okay, now, as you can see, we have a table here loaded with figures. We have the horizontal heading here. We have a vertical here. And then at the bottom, we have a formula that adds up the numbers you see here. What we want to do is that we don't want whoever is entering data on this spreadsheet to be able to make changes to the headings here, the months, or the names of the continents. At the bottom also, we don't want anybody to be able to make changes to the formula that calculates the figures. So to do that, the first step is to select or click on this top left corner here. When I click on it, the entire cells are selected. Every cell on this sheet is selected. And I'm going to format this sheet. So the formatting I'm going to make is going to affect every cell. So I right click on any of the cells. And then I select Format Cells. Okay. Then this menu comes up. And then I go ahead and select Protection. And then I will select Locked. You see that the box has been checked. So when I click OK, the entire spreadsheet or the entire sheet will be locked, protected from data entry or editing. So I'm going to click OK. I click OK. But I have to make an exception since I'm going to allow people to edit this place. So I'm going to make an exception by making this place editable. So to do that, I highlight that same place and then I right click on any of the cells and then select Format Cells. I will then go to Protection and then uncheck the Locked. That means that part of the sheet will not be locked, will not be protected. So I click OK. Even though I've done all these, you can still make changes to this sheet because I've not really enabled cell protection. The rules that I've set will only work if I enable cell protection. So to enable cell protection, I have to click on Review. When I click on the Review tab, you see that there are changes. This group is here. I click on Protect Sheets. Okay, then I click OK. So from now onwards, I cannot make any changes except here. Let's try it. I'm going to click here. You see, the moment I type, I press any key, it gives me this message. It is a protected sheet. To make changes, you have to unprotect the sheets. Okay, but when I come here, I'm able to make changes. When I come to the month, it doesn't allow me. It gives me the error message again. So I think we have achieved our goal by making it possible to edit only this place. So what if I want to make changes to the formula or the headings? Well, I simply have to go to Review and Unprotect Sheets. Immediately I do that, it is possible for me to make any changes. April, you see, I've made a change here. So then nothing stops anybody from making these changes since it is so easy. But we can prevent people from changing this setting by adding a password to it because we don't want people to just unprotect and then do what they have to do. So to do that, let's go back to this place. I highlight here and then click Protect. And then I add a password. Okay, I click OK and ask me to re-enter the password. I click OK Yes, so now it's back again. I can't make any changes. Cells are locked, except this place. You see it? Yes, that is the essence of it all. Then let me try to unprotect so that it will give me access to make changes to the formula. So when I click on unprotect, well, it asks for a password. Okay. If I don't type the right password, it tells me that my password is not correct. So let me try it again, unprotect, and I type in the right password. And then it has been unprotected. So the password makes it possible for me to really lock the cells and give limited access to whoever is going to make a data entry or editing on the spreadsheet. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye for now.